Yeah, I'm on my way to the crib right now. Yeah, you come over, shake a tail feather. Yeah, that's it. No. Where's the rest of my crib? Where is my crib? Oh, when I find the person that did this, it's up. It's up. Oh, they say birds of a feather flock together. We about to flock on your motherfucking ass, I'm telling you. I was supposed to get some tonight. I ain't even got nowhere for her to spread eagle. They think this shit sweet, bro. It ain't gonna be no more little birdies telling them shit. They really think they can do this shit to me, bro. Don't they know the early bird catches the worm? No, we can't let this fly, bro. I'm calling up all my heathens and we about to go around splitting feathers, bro. Bums.